In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Amazon password in Amazon app. Before we start, you need to know one key limitation. You cannot actually view your current Amazon account password inside the Amazon app. For security reasons, Amazon never shows your saved password anywhere, not in the app and not on the website. You can only reset it or change it, not reveal the existing one. Now, if you have forgotten your Amazon password and cannot sign in, start by opening the Amazon Shopping app on your device. When the app loads, you should see options to sign in or create a new account. Make sure you are on the sign in screen because that is where the reset link appears. From there, tap the sign in button. This takes you to the login page where you normally enter your email or phone number and your password. Under the password field, you will see a small forgot password option. That is what you will use to reset things. Next up, tap forgot password. As soon as you tap it, Amazon switches to a password assistance screen. Here, it asks how you want to confirm that the account belongs to you. Beginners sometimes look for the old password here, but remember, this page only helps you create a new one. After that, enter the email address or phone number linked to your Amazon account. Type it carefully because a single wrong letter sends the reset link to the wrong place or makes Amazon say it cannot find the account. When you are done, tap the button to continue to the next screen. At this point, follow the verification steps Amazon shows to reset your password. Usually that means entering a code sent to your email or phone, then choosing a new password. As soon as you finish the last step, your new password is active and the old one no longer works. There is no extra save button beyond what you already tap. If your password was saved on your device already, you might be able to view it using your phone password manager. This does not read from the Amazon app itself. It reads from what your device stored the last time you signed in and let it save the password. On an iPhone, go to Settings, then Apps, then Passwords, or sometimes just Passwords depending on your iOS version. The screen will list all saved accounts once you unlock it. If you are not sure you are in the right place, look for a search bar and several website names underneath. Now, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step keeps other people from seeing your saved logins. Once you pass that lock screen, you can search inside the list of stored passwords. Then, search for Amazon. When you tap the Amazon entry, you will see the username or email and the saved password underneath. On many iPhones, the password is initially hidden with dots, and you tap it once to reveal the actual characters. If you already know your current password and simply want to change it, open the Amazon app again. Make sure you are signed in to the account you want to update. The home screen should show your name or profile icon near the top. From there, go to your account, then Login and Security. This page lists your name, email, phone number, and password section all in one place. It is where Amazon lets you update your basic login details. Next, tap Edit next to Password. The password section will expand into a small form with 2 or 3 fields. You will see a box for the current password and another for the new one. Now, enter your current password, then your new password. Type the new one twice if Amazon asks to confirm it. A quick tip here, choose a new password that is not reused from another website, because one leak on another site can put your Amazon account at risk. Finally, tap Save Changes. The page will reload and you may see a short confirmation message at the top, and from that moment, your new password replaces the old one immediately. You have now either reset a forgotten Amazon password, viewed it through your device password manager, or changed it directly inside the app. So if this helped you get back into your Amazon account, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear Amazon how-tos.